kids, a very good morning to all of you from Sabha teacher to all the juniors of Shanti Juniors. Children, again teacher is saying, please take care of yourself, be at home and be safe and keep learning through the videos of teachers. Very good children. Children, as you know, we are doing a home topic. Our topic is home topic, my home. Yes, in our home we have so many rooms like bedroom, hall room, kitchen room. Like that way, we have one room which is very important. Yes, and every day we use that room. That's a bathroom. Whenever we get up early in the morning, we get up early, where we go? We always go in the bathroom. Yes, first we go in the bathroom, we clean ourselves, we wash our face and then we have our breakfast. So today teacher will show you what we see in the bathroom. What are the things which we see in the bathroom? See, we see toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, towel, bucket to fill the water, then a mug to remove that water. These are the things we see in the bathroom. Now I'll show you. See, this is also we see inside the bathroom. What is this? It's an antiseptic Dettol. This mama used to clean the clothes, to clean the floor. Now we use toothbrush and toothpaste. Yes, you should always brush your teeth twice a day. So we see this inside the bathroom. Then we have soap. Teacher has two soap. One is to take a bath. Yes. And the other one is to clean your clothes. There are two different soaps which we use. Now, we also have a face wash inside the bathroom to clean our face. Yes, children. And to clean our hair, we use shampoo. This also we keep in the bathroom. So all these things we see inside the bathroom. And even children, when you take a bath, we need a towel to wipe ourselves. We need a towel. So this is also we have to keep in the bathroom or we have to take with us now whenever we take a bath. But every time we can't take this big towel with us. So whenever we do a hand wash, we use this small towel. Yes, to wipe our hands. So children, these are all the things which we see inside the bathroom. And now teacher will show you some more things which we can see in the bathroom and what are the uses of that. So let's see it. Come on. Hello children. As you know, teacher has shown you the things which we see in the bathroom. Yes. Now we are going to see some more things which are seen inside the bathroom. So let's see. This is the picture of a bathroom. This is a toilet seat. This is a wash basin. This is the bathtub with the hand shower and a tap. Here is also a tap. See, tap is then from where the water comes. And here is the mirror. Toilet seat is used to do toilet. Wash basin is we use to wash our hand, wash our face. And bathtub we use to take a bath with the hand shower. Yes, so these are the things we see in the bathroom. Now, see, this is toilet and this is bathtub with the shower. Here we do toilet And here we take a bath. Very good. Now you should always keep clean your toilet seat, your bathtub. See, mama always clean it nicely. Yes, you should always clean your toilet. And whenever you go for a washroom, you should always flush the water. If you can't do, take a help of mama, papa. And see, these are all the things which we see in the toilet. This is wash basin. Tell what is this? It's a mirror. Very good. This is toilet seat. This is brush which we use to clean the toilet seat. This is shampoo. Here is the soap. This is face wash. See, all these things we use in the bathroom. Yes, see, towel, shampoo, a sink, a shower. See how baby is taking a shower. A soap, toilet paper, toothbrush, toothpaste. So all these things we use in the bathroom. But children, you must always remember one thing. Never waste water. Yes, whenever you go inside the bathroom, always take care of not wasting of water. And even tell mama, papa not to waste water while using shower also. We should always take care of this. I know you all are my good children and you are not wasting water. Okay, children? So, now you know what we see and use inside the bathroom. So, now you going to show me and name it what you have in your bathroom. So, you have to show it to teacher. Okay, children? Take help of mama, papa. Okay? Thank you and thank you for watching. Take care and teacher misses you all. Bye.